Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipe, and there you see I am giving you a bunch of seasoning that I will be using on this honey lemon wine salmon fish. You gotta stay tuned for this recipe and watch till the very end, and when you try it, let me know what it turned out to be and how you like it. So there you see I have in a skillet about 2 tablespoons of oil. I put 1/4 teaspoon of butter and my seasonings that I showed you earlier: onion, garlic, creole seasoning, fish seasoning. I used to put on my salmon, and you notice I'm putting the skin side down, and then I've added some garlic, 1 clove of crushed garlic, and some thyme, and I fry on each side for maybe 2 to 3 minutes until brown, and then you gently turn over because these are the fillet of the salmon. And you want to smell out in here is the smell is so good. And so there I let it fry on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm removing it and putting it on some paper towel. You can use your fish rack and let it drain as well, or metal rack. And so then I have 2 more pieces, and then we're gonna do the very same thing here. And make sure you fry your fish on medium heat so that you don't burn the fish. So now we're going to be making our sauce for the fish, and so you see I have about 1 teaspoon of oil, and I put a piece of thyme in there. And so now I'm putting some sweet onion and some bell pepper. I'm gonna put some garlic and some ginger and some green onions and some carrot to give that salmon that luscious look. And so there I'm adding my seasoning like that I added to my fish. So there you have the Old Bay, black pepper, and you can put it as generously as you like, or you can use whatever season you would like as well. And then I added some garlic powder. I'm going to be adding some onion powder as well. And if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, share. And we thank you so much for watching, because we know you could have watched any other video, but you chose to watch ours. And turn on that notification button so you not miss any of our videos. And so there you see I combine all my powdered seasoning with my fresh vegetable. I am putting about 1/4 teaspoon of butter, and I'm going to be making that melt as well. And you want all this flavor in your fish so that it just melts in your mouth and it's flavorful as well. And you can steam this and check it every 2 to 3 minutes, just until all the flavors seep from our onions, and get that carrot not too soft. But we're going to be adding, so you can add some water to this, or some chicken broth or fish broth, or even the vegetable broth. So then we're going to be adding some black pepper, liquid smoke I have there, and some Maggi liquid seasoning as well. This will give the broth a brown color. And there I have some fish and meat sauce as well. And then you're going to be adding some lime juice or lemon juice, whichever you choose. I'm going to be adding some cooking wine, some red wine vinegar, and the secret ingredient here, we're going to be adding some port wine to this mix here, just to give that fish that nice flavor here. And you see it's a red wine, and then we're going to be adding the honey, and you can use it liberally, because since we have the lime juice or the lemon juice and the vinegar, you can add your honey to taste, and make sure you do that so you get that right flavor that suits you. And I've added some more Old Bay, and then I bring it to a boil on medium flame. We're just making sure that the honey is all dissolved, and there you see I'm tasting it just to make sure that my flavor is on point when I add my fish back to the broth. And then I'm going to be adding some lemon peel on top, and you can put it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll just let it stay on the stove top here for that amount of time. And then you see I'm putting the sauce on top of my fish, and if you notice, I put my meaty side down so it can soak up all that goodness. You see the colors are good for your eyesight. It looks so appealing. There I'm sprinkling some green onions on top, and then I'm going to put my lemon peel for the final 5 to 10 minutes. I'll cover it and lower my flame. Or as I said, you can put it in the oven if you choose to do that. And I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.